Hello and welcome back. I'm Joseph Hoffman. Well, it's another big finger power day. So let's come to the piano to get started. All right, to do the 1-2 finger skip, hands together, let's place both hands with right hand finger 1 on C, left hand finger 5 on bass C. And what's going to happen is our left hand's going to kind of follow or copycat what the right hand's doing. So the right hand's going to do our regular 1-2 finger skip, stepping up and then stepping down, then a 1, skip up to 2. But what the left hand's going to do, in order to follow it, it's got to do a 5-4 finger skip to copy the notes that the right hand is playing. See how I'm doing this? So when I get here to D, now my right hand skips up and my left hand skips up at the same time. So they're playing exactly the same notes, 1 octave apart. Then E, skip up to G, stepping down. Now I'm on F, skip up. Then I'm stepping down. Now I'm on G, skip up. Then A, skip up. Then B, skip up. Then I'm going to land on C. And now I'm not done yet. Now we need to give the left hand a turn to be the leader. So we're going to do a 1-2 skip going down. And this time we're starting on G and going down. So a 1, skip down. And then we'll step back up, and now we'll be traveling back down the piano with the right hand following the left hand. Now I'm on E, skip down. You can see each time I get 1 step lower, my right hand following the left hand down. I'm going to go all the way back to where I was. My left hand's on middle C, but I'm going to keep going. So I want to get my finger 5 back to C in my left hand. Down to D on the bottom. We're aiming for C on the bottom. And then we're home. Back to where we started with finger 1, right hand, finger 5, left hand on C. All right, makes sense? Now, press pause and try that on your own. Then press play when you're ready to try it with me. All right. For doing it together, I'm going to place the metronome at 88 beats per minute. And just a couple of quick reminders. Remember to play near your pinky tip, all the fingers relaxed, gently curved, with a little bounce in the wrist to help keep things relaxed and to help use gravity to kind of fall into each key, but with a release after playing each note. Okay, get in position, finger 1 on C, right hand, finger 5 on C, left hand. I'll count 4 beats, then we start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip up. Skip up. F, skip up. G, skip up. A, skip up. B, skip up. And then rest on C. Now going up to G and coming down, I'll count 4 beats and then we'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip down. F, skip down. E, skip down. D, skip down. A, skip down. And we're to C. We made it. Nice work learning the 1-2 finger skip hands together today. Practice this with your best piano posture every day, and that will help develop you into an awesome pianist. Happy practicing, and see you next time.